My dear students, welcome to my online English teaching class. Hope you are in good health by the grace of Almighty God, as all the educational institutions in our country have been closed down because of the outbreak of coronavirus. So, you have to continue your study staying at home. Otherwise, you will not be able to make a good result in the examinations. And for this, I am trying my best to help you through this process. Anyway, take a look at the board and listen to my lecture. What I want to discuss today is right form of verbs. Let's know first about the topic right form of verbs. Right means correct, actual, authentic, and forms of verb mean shape, structure or formation of verbs. Basically, there are 5 forms of verb. Number 1, V form, that is base or root form of verbs. Go, eat, etc. Number 2, VS form. The form is created by adding S or es to the base form of verbs. Goes, eats, etc. Number 3, VING form or present participle form. The form is created by adding ing to the base form of verbs. That is going, eating, etc. Number 4, VP form, that is past form of verbs. Went, at, etc. Number 5, VPP form, that is past participle form of verbs. Gone, eaten, etc. Now let's know about their uses. Use of V form. We should respect our parents. The correct form is respect. Especially the sentence is in the active voice, and that's why the principal verb has become base form after the model auxiliary verb should. Number 2, use of VS form. He play cricket daily. Play within bracket. The correct form is plays. Here in this sentence, the principal verb has become VS form by adding S to it, because here in this sentence daily indicates present indefinite tense and the subject he is third person singular number. Number 3, use of VING form or present participle form. I never thought of go there, go within bracket. The correct form is going. The verb within bracket go has become going because it is followed by the preposition of. Number 4, use of VP form. He go to London 2 years ago. Go within bracket. Here in this sentence, ago indicates past indefinite tense, and that's why the correct form is went. VP form or V2 you may say. Number 5, use of VPP form. Water is pollute in many ways. Water pollute within bracket. The correct form is polluted. Before discussing the sentence, you should know first about passive voice or structure of passive sentence. Structure of passive sentence. Subject, inactive, that is not active, plus auxiliary verb according to tense plus VPP, that is past participle form of verb, or V3 you may say, plus preposition by, to, at, with, etc. plus object. For example, the bird was shot by the wholesaler. Here in this sentence, the bird subject is inactive because the act of shooting is not done by the subject bird, it is done by the wholesaler. And was auxiliary verb, short past participle form of shoot by preposition the wholesaler object. Similarly, water is polluted in many ways. Here in this sentence, the act of polluting is not done by water. In some cases, preposition plus object is not necessary for expressing passive voice or passive sense. For example, English is speak all over the world. Speak within bracket. The correct form is spoken because the act of speaking is not done by English. So English subject is inactive here, and all over the world is not object here. It is adverb here, and that's why spoken V3 past participle form of speak. Thank you. In my next class, I will discuss the topic in detail. If you have any question, contact me on my mobile phone. Stay home, stay safe.